this video, I'm going to share you how to create slice head effect using Canva. So before I head on to the training, what I wanted you to do is subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon because I create videos on a daily and regular basis teaching Canva tutorials as well as teaching about digital marketing and how to make money online. Right? So now we are heading back to the training. So for this test results, what I do is I just wanted to create a design by taking into considerations Instagram post. You can take anything whichever you wanted. All right. So for that, what we are requiring is the main element is the headshots. Okay. So I have already uploaded one of the headshots, so I will not be using it. I'll be using the same of this. Can you see it, guys? Okay. So now you can see here I have this transparent background of this headshots. Okay. So what I have to do is the first step which I have to do is I have to crop this image 4 times. Okay. So now when you see it, I'm cropping it. Okay. And then I have to make sure I crop it as per my desired effects. So now what I do is I go on duplicate this, okay, and after that I make sure it is to the same place, bringing back the same image, going for the clicking on the crop, and then what I'm doing is I'm cropping from the top so that can you see the guideline. So I make sure I have my second crop over there and my guideline. Okay. Again, I go back to duplicate this process. Okay. And make sure, right? And crop it. Again, you need to come from the top. Okay. And from here, you just need to go from the border. And this is the last time which you would be doing it. Just click on the crop. You see this, the guideline? So you have to go and select it over here. So now you can see here we have all the 4 cutouts. So now we're going to place it in such a way that we can add some effects. Okay. So I'm just bringing it down so that you can see the element. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll make sure zooming it. All right. So now the next step which I have to do is I just have to go to the elements, search for new brushstroke cream. Okay, this is what I choose and this is what the element which I choose in. All right. So what I do is basically I change the color in order to give a colorful look. All right. I go for the night bright colors and after that I just duplicate twice. Can you see we have 3? So I will be duplicating it 3 times and make sure I have a nice peppermint colors. Okay, you can go and make it colorful. So now what I do is you can see here we have the list and the distance is huge, right? So what we have to do is we will be going to flipping it. Okay, and you can see here I'm just placing on top of this. So after that, what you need to do is you just need to position at the back. Can you see this, guys? You can adjust it as you wanted it. So what you can do is same implies over here. Okay, you have to make sure that it is placed properly. Okay, so that it looks perfectly fine. All right, you can have a look and see this zooming. Okay, so that you can position it perfectly fine. All right, so all right, so now what we are going to do is I'm just make sure I'm just flipping it, right? I can position in such a way that it looks really good. All right. So now you can see here your you have created your head cutout. All right, with this. So this is the way which you have to do it. All right. So what you need to do is you just need to subscribe to my channel, get notified so that you get notified on the latest videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.